It's recording. All right, let's do it, buddy. We're here for Sean, baby. We're gonna set it up like this. I'm not. Okay. Got the legs. This is a real day for me, y'all. It's been a long journey. Trying to get this table done. Messing up about 100 times. It's finally here. Okay. So we got the legs. Wherever you want.
Anti-climatic shot.
Yeah, just wherever you want to stand. That's cool. Is it sweet? That's cool. Leave it like that. Leave it like that. I'm gonna clean some of this dust off. Because like I'm just gonna be flipping it. Like, you're gonna see a little bit of it. Can you see it? Ready? Nah, yeah. Actually, this should be like this. Like that. Where do my glasses go? Did I set them down somewhere? Get me a little bit, and then as soon as he walks out, like put the focus on him. And I'm just gonna come around like this. He'll walk out, and I'm gonna go that way. So when you end up go on that side. Get him, just get the whole scene like this. And then whenever you come here, like get that, like get him. I'm gonna be over there.
Hey, welcome to my crib.
Welcome, buddy.
This is the big day, huh?
This is the big reveal.
What do we got over here?
Yeah, man.
Did you get my dead mums? I didn't even sleep last night, man.
Me neither, bro. So, I made you some treats. I got the little treats in there. So open those up first, I guess.
It smells like...
It's like the finish I use.
That's so cool.
So I got, there's a few of them made for
Nice little coasters.
You don't have to put them on the table.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, regardless, it don't matter what you do your thing, man. This is yours now. Like, you do your thing. I don't care what you do.
All right.
Okay, buddy.
Here we go.
Let's do it. Coasters are full, but this is more important. So.
Should I go this way or this way?
Go. So it's facing. Well, yeah. Go. Pull. I'm trying to think. Probably pull it like. You want to be facing that way, basically.
I want to be facing that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it, buddy. This is your day, bro. This is your day, bro.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Bro.
Yeah,
oh
man.
my
This is your day, brother.
God. How did you do this?
Long process.
Oh my God.
Long process.
Bro. It's freaking
You like it,
beautiful, man.
You like it, brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I trimmed it with the walnut, man. I got the walnut in here. And then I got this wood offline off Facebook Marketplace. So there's a little spot right here that kind of got jacked up, but
That is wild.
basically,
I don't know how you did this.
Ain't nobody gonna have that. This is one of a kind, bro.
Dude, this is perfect.
Yeah, it was a long haul, bro.
Can't even imagine.
I put my logo.
I love how this is in here.
So I mean, it's I had like a good bit of mess ups on it, man, but as good as it's gonna be. I think it came out.
Yeah, I think you did okay,
I
man.
think it's gonna be all right.
What do you think of it, Nick?
The only thing, you know what, I didn't realize until after it was too late is I made this gray instead of black. Nothing to do about it, but
Oh, no.
those are like the weights.
Yeah.
Like, of all the things I messed up on, do you believe that? Like, how do you mess up weights? Like, you're not a real weightlifter.
Give me your man card.
Give it back, man. So this I printed this on my printer, on my Cricut, and basically stuck it down.
So is this is that vinyl?
It's like so you can print on like cups. So I can print on like cups and stuff. So it's gonna get a little bit dirty for sure.
Oh, I'm gonna be
but I mean,
wiping this thing daily.
It's like it's functional. You know what I mean? Like you want to be able to use it too. So, but basically, I had the wood. I mean, dude, I could go on and on and on for like I could be here until next week telling you about it all.
Oh yeah, I can't.
Bro, it was like